this going to be Blizzard 2011? I think not. Children are playing in a Plymouth playground as if nothing's happening. The roads are very serviceable. As are the sidewalks. Whereas the blizzard of 2010 was anything but. Unless you had skis. Is sprinkling the salt really necessary? And Jonathan Landsman, our promenade maestro, is hard at work. And the corner of Remsen, no comparison. Even though there's a fraction of an inch to clean up, you better do it right. Now in the blizzard of 2010, he would have earned his money. Now you know this little old storm was not going to keep Judy Stanton from her duties. Well, I'd have to say that we kind of overreacted to this current storm. But when you consider the blizzard of 2010, it's understandable. As you can see, it's 2:30 and the snow has ceased. So I guess we all can relax for the time being and just gear up for the next storm if it comes in 2011. This weather update was brought to you by the Brooklyn Heights blog.